Okay, so here's a real official thing. Mimi got her drone. So Mimi is what my granddaughter calls me. So I kind of made a good hashtag. So learning to do my drone. So we have the DJI Mini 3 and I have the RC remote here, and I've taken it up twice. So just in my own backyard, because I don't have time to take it out really far today. So maybe another day I'll be able to go to a park and do a little bit more, but I'm going to record this. Oh, forgot my card upstairs. Better grab that. So starting up the drone, I already got the remote. There we go. So now the drone is starting up, and this is going to connect. And then it takes off.